am so thrilled to announce this new affiliate program that I just launched today. If you are an avid crystal lover, then you're going to love this because it gives you the ability to share with your friends your love of crystals and earn money back in return. It's very easy, so let me explain how it works. If you go to my profile, I have a link there and you can see the sign up for affiliates. It's free to sign up. There are no fees, no hidden charges or anything of that nature. When you sign up, you will get a 15% discount code that you can share with your friends that they can use on the Sassy Clover website. You'll get your own personalized Sassy Clover link that you can share with them to go and shop as well. When your friends shop with us, you're going to earn 15% of every single sale. In addition to that, you're also going to earn your own personal discount code to receive 25% off any of your personal purchases that you make on our website. I mean, how amazing is that? If you're interested or you know a friend that's interested, make sure you comment right here and let us know. You can always message us with any questions you have, but go check it out. You won't regret it.